I be couple. I dey inside Douala, the True Salon for all in a way. Una the True So Trust, Doctor House for inside Douala. We na Equinox for saving it. Una better thing them. Tori day today plenty. Chapter for accident inside Douala. Na wonderful kind thing. Like one man could talk for inside the newscast. So we dey tell una say time wey we go take una dey go for inside Bonaberi. Una could see wonderful. You know, even remain na inside Bonaberi, even inside that side for Lom. When I inside Littoral so for Kora Douala, na so chapter for accident. Chapter for accident where they inside Douala, you know remain inside Bonaberi. It come out inside Bonaberi, they even for Yupe. Now people they so die so even how December Monday even enter so people they die. Them go Kwara finish, them sleep straight. This morning time so na some go take come out on top people them so. Na so they grind them. We ask am say na wetin this? Wetin happen? E dey vex me. If you see me say I no dey smile. Yes, I go laugh. I go laugh when people dey die. Why are people dying? Why people dey die so? Na so big man dey talk. Dem dey die for wetin? Dem don Kwara also finish. Myself so we go so talk about chop because say people wey dem never sleep straight, dem still get for chop. If time wey hungry dey do them so they don drive them for that side for northwest side west. Them come there with we, them need chop. Them need for put something inside their mouth. Even couple the chop. No see say because I be fine man so I know the chop. I the chop. So at the time when I say if we go enter inside the chapter them so we go begin the talk thing where they happen. But before we enter inside, I go talk when that thing will happen for that side for you way. It happen na inside for night save way they want come out today. Now so some man live straight for day. He come out so he come out in for work. He can put for that way, say make he put petrol for inside the machine. He want put on top of Okada so climb on top of Okada. Now you want come up for road. Now some gungurung viab. He finish Mr. Joe Messi. Man for banner, they finish it. Plenty other kind thing that they happen. Baby sponsor we go self talk am today. We go even go for that side for Boya for see how way people them way them know they see fine, them know they work fine. People the way they talk them say they call them for big box say disabled people them. We go see how they suffer. Even time when people them for northwest and southwest they ever do na run match so how them they do where they know they see place fine. Plenty other thing that they will go for talk today country people at the time we not so very much because say we not know say na for your way to talk the other day to read there plenty we go talk. For couple is time. Make we go hear something. Na couple that I don't give you na I no go give you na salad where it go long because it is so at the vex. People they so Kwara. Even big pie talk self, I will give you a time I don't knock to finish. I will talk big pie talk now. Big pie talk never enter my belly. They switch with skill. They make we they think plenty. But now, if your papa don't die, what to make you the year fine self? We enter inside side for Bonaberi sitting will happen today. Now 5 people them so they sleep straight. Them they like roller. Them sleep so. What happen? Nangunguru come on top them. Bonaberi dey na inside Douala for Douala 4 subdivision. Na so they talk say Douala 4 subdivision inside Bonaberi. When I see am so, na people that even Kitu they see how they go jig the big motor. See machine them on top that big motor. You want married machine big motor? See machine them. Okada they on top big motor. See people that they carry. See, you go see how they go jig him also. He mob like big fish. Each of people they so suited 5. Them sleep straight. Inside Bonaberi. Now for Douala Nana so if you go there you go see them. You think say couple not ever talk to them carry someone and bring her for Wasapito. Myself so you know they show whether one of them will continue for the breed against self. Yes, it be bad. Now they big motor so where they never carry people them. He enter inside Bonaberi. He come from Bonaberi, they inside town. He come inside town, they go other places. Tori way we hear for here being say people them where they be there on top Okada. The one they pass with Okada, some people them come out where they never check book for Okada. Then they check book, they say when I get book, Okada man want start talk now so they know you fine. When I wait to happen, Okada man when they come on and say Mona when make I stand fine no. Now the people that are they force Okada man say give money, give book. Now to read that way them tell you, nothing that them talk. Say that they force say give money, then they say you must give money by force. You want they stand so they talk say when I want take money by force. Now who send you now? Them say na council send them. They want talk so okay. then we go see how we go give money. Now some gongoro just come so fear, climb on top them. He broke their skin broke someone their foot, broke someone their hand, broke their head, broke them. I feel cry. I cry. It be bad country people them. With the worst can say, that way December month never come, so why it be say the accident they come plenty? Now question that. Because say no be already one. I dey come for Douala, so I just go na Simon for that side. They call us say Loom na inside Mungo division for inside Littoral again. We go see something. That's also accident. That's also the month. December month never even reach. December month they start now tomorrow. December month it dey start tomorrow. But people know the one alone na loom that. The Ngunguru he own he say one marry na house. Ngunguru he no start dey stay for house. See big now he that he enter for some money house. He enter some money house. People know say motor dey run for road. Time way man don run with him motor so he come stand. He turn up the motor for some side. Go enter inside a house so he say Koshidon. Motor talk say lie to lie. I see the house he find me. I must enter for there. Now so he come down. View ja woo. Grip. Hey. Person in house. People them wonder for they say we never see the one. See motor enter for house. Now only he last the show. He enter so he broke person for there. He broke some gun there in hand. He broke someone in skin. When I go hear people they go talk, no be only couple you want to talk inside the wala. But you also there inside loom, nangungurung that. Then ask driver say what happen. Driver go talk something where he go tell the people, then the people go tell you. But kitu them come for there. Them say, you know fine, you know correct. This kind thing so you know correct. Them not feel they leave and say, it is so make people they just they on tom gongurung. They enter for place where them like them. Why what happen? They ask driver, what happen? You know be see road there for up. Money house there for here. Why you they go enter inside money house? Ngonguru now you be that house. You where you be driver now you be that house. You don't know say motor get for run for road. Wait you be there for your head time where you be the run. You don't be the see place fine. You don't tire. You don't ask your patron say you want to sleep. He say make you come with motor. Plenty question that way people they ask them for that stuff for loom. Patron them. When I drive they talk say them don't tire. When I see talk say they could go that side with motor. Yet where papa they talk. When I even hear where people them for that side them talk say. Now them talk. Me when I hear them say driver talk say if be there so with him motorboy the beginning knock his story. They tell it him where his skin the jolly. He don't know say road then for different side, house then for different side. Make we hear where the people them for that side talk say. Yes.
We be there around. We the lost small time. Now if we don't go yes away some big brewery don't make them. Before all we will come out, we meet up send a camion don't enter for us. Now he say we don't come here now, we try for check people where they be there for inside us. We see some young girl. But you on that camion don't jam that house so papa they don't marry, we don't carry Bruin hospital. Then Bruin they carry motorboat too, they send her for hospital. But now the driver. You know the one go hospital, we don't know for what.
He says they talk so what you don't do.
He talk say be the story with the motorboy. Now if one time for the front, he don't see say he don't meet up do done. Bon, the alley way be get them, he don't be free for break the motor. Now he don't jump there, do done into the one time for his house. I mean don't jump the house so. Now the driver. You know the one go hospital, we don't know for what.
He says they talk so what you don't do.
He talk say be the story with the motorboy. Now if one time for the front, he don't see say he don't meet up do done. Bon, the alley way be get them, he don't be free for break the motor. Now he don't jump there, do done into the one time for his house.
We not done here. Are the vex? You should not auto motor they tell you thing. You forget say it so you go for the gold and for road. You dey enter inside man house. You don't broke some man house. Broke that man he picking his hand. Them take it go hospital. That gun there they say maybe if you find capo self. Maybe if you be like capo a friend. Fix my clothes. Think like this one no they find me. Time now wait yourself. Now so we go talk palava for chop. Because that way chavum there for northwest south so people know they go farm. People the way they don't go farm, they bring chop can put them can burn them. How they burn house for the na all time. Then they burn house for day. Then they burn all things. Chop they burn them. Gary you put them, they go burn them. Corn they put them, you go burn them. Say so people the way they don't even run for day. Them can't stay inside. Some side them for Douala here. They not get chop. Para for chop for Norwest. How way you see so? Na side for Norwest. How is that? Na kitu them the day. People the way they remain out for day. If you go for farm, them say some people they dey for farm way. They hold people they go up. See na farm they that they don't only farm for village them. You get house, you go move, you get hard. If you know say you get hard, you go move now. If you go say you want go to move your beans, why when they see them so you go move that thing them. Some people they go take you for a bush. Chavum vika enter for your head. How for them na that's so the people they that na people they never give people the dame. Them say one the way them run palava for Chavum for that side for Norwest West. Them dey inside Douala here, them not get chop. That's what make them give them the chop, make they begin chop. Now the papa they that and the people them come. Papa they talk say what he they talk say na around 14,000 people them. They for this side them then have a loom so all the time for loom it not big it not even big it reach some small quarter inside Douala. But that means say if you hear say only inside loom you want it get more than 14,000 people how they talk so. That means say inside Mungo too now how many a day? For that side from Komsama na how many a day? Now chop that way they can't give them. That's so the part they talk. Red Cross people there, but the part talk you also with it. You know fine. I get 10 picking them. They go give me na 10 kilo for rice. Give me 1 liter. The mommy talk say, you know fine. The part talk say with it. They give na only one name. They don't come for us. Talk say join day for us. Mary day for us. Susanna day for us. Ngombe day for us. Nyako day for us. Them the one they give chop. They give na only for Nyako. Why they give na for Elvis Nyako? You want? They don't know say Oben day for us. Even Clifford day for us. Them give for all that name, then they follow all name for us. They know say Clifford gave for chop, Oben gave for chop, Eli gave for chop, Clarice gave for chop. Now so the people they talk. The party even vex on say they don't come so. Them say he name no day for that list. That book where they talk say you your name day so the name no day. Where if you write the name he not be say he come na that day. If you write the name for day, he come if he see his name. He no see his name. That means say they no give chop. But they ask here. My pikin they don't go school. They go come back the chop with it. Time when they come on they go school. I tell them say, I they go down so for go find chop where they don't come for gang give we. Wait till them go chop. When I even hear pa, when I think say that couple they talk thing way in all day. More when I hear thing we don't talk. He talk by himself.
The way they do for the area. Because what to me I don't see, and then I wait to me we will be the expect. Because people they never leave their house for since for morning time, come before here. Water, they need to see them, not to see. So when they don't pay transport, they come for here. But forget the one where they want them, they need to see them. People when they can't register since they turn a month of October, people when they can't since for October. And then now so they record the name, then the people get the people the way they identify them. And then people when they be registered for more they say today. They come before, they say no, name na so. So all man don't be stranded, all man don't confused. We don't know whether which one we need them, we go get them. And if you for business, they don't follow the list. They for taxes for money, they say, they follow the list for October, maybe the list for this November. Maybe people don't go. Now people are there, they don't spend, they already get 500. They don't come now to that 500, pay transport, come for here. Don't now so, they don't get wait to wait, they want to go house for holiday picking the way they will call and say, refugees them. No, it's not there. Now they don't. No, we call them refugees. They call with them refugees now. We call them refugees. So now we run this place. We don't have for Francophone land. Now, what we say we go get them. We know they get them. List where they say now list for people displaced people. Now they return and say people the way they will be right from October. They don't call list so that they go end. They never get no 1 month. Now people the way they don't pay transport come. Now how they want to do for go back for their houses? Now question that way there. Secondly, now which way they go now? They go tell their picking the way they live for us. They go for us. Say they go bring us. Wait till they go tell the picking them. Those way they don't go school. Sometimes 500 way they be get away. They tell me bless us picking them and go school tomorrow. You know there. They go come out for here now. Go. They go chop with you before they sleep. They go break. You the papa. You go chief for get up because me and chop go school. Second point, in business, we call ourselves Cameroonians. The United States talks Cameroonians, they win one. Now the one this one there, where the other one they now, they say no, now this one, now so it, now so it. They don't give water for the other one, the other one they don't get water. Now me no be now all man get appetite for drink water. So it be very funny. Oh, we blood the flow for our skin.
Question, Papa. Question number 1. they don't give water for some people them. They don't give someone them. Now let them they hungry for drink water. They don't give chop for someone them. They don't give someone them. Now let them they hungry for chop. Why it be say when I talk say we can't take chop today, we want come, we not give we chop. I know. Whether what happen, they not give them more. Or you know right in them fine, oh, I don't know. But what the way people them where they be the shady chop the top, them tell what talk people them say what. How when the people they vex say they don't come, they not give that chop. Them don't know say them go for continue that for give that chop the next day. So if you become you don't get chop, go there the next day. Not be say they don't write their name, them fool you. You don't see how we chop see pack now. How you don't talk say camion no can carry chop they go. They want go hide and make thief no thief they go come get them again. They don't talk say any man way don't write in name, make it she don't come quick, it could take chop. Nothing that the people them talk. Yes, now so it happen. People they talk, all man could take small, it could begin to go. Till time comes say any man could get chop for chop. But I don't ask wonderful question them. When I don't say yeah, I talk with yourself. Make we continue for power chop. You know and so, but this was so. Now some local NGO, that one so we been a white man them. You don't hear say war waiting a big one, but this one now people that inside Cameroon, NGO inside were unconscious self. But I bother them when them day they talk say what we not fit get for chop where people them day they know the chop. See the one and so now people there they talk say how you day now anglophone people them. Them bring them for that side. Now then they bring the chop that for can't give the people them. All that picking away you see them so they don't run, they come out inside northwest or they come out inside southwest, then they that honor for that side for loom. Yes. Now them that. Now chop where the people them bring up for can't give them. The one of people inside Cameroon. Man see chop no go dance. Why I no go dance? I don't feel chop for morning time. See bread, see rice, see all that kind of bread, rice, beans, all thing them. Oh yeah, they. The one are ready. If you don't go the one, you don't need no water. Sometimes they give them water self. Even sometimes they don't give them fire. You don't go so you just take your fire, put your water, put rice, put oil, put maggi, put all things. Only chop, wonderful. Chop where man never get them for many days. Because them talk say time where they all run come up for nowhere, so where they inside Luma where you see them so. Escape them get farm, na la village. They don't get play for work farm. Hungry, they buy that belly, they crash that belly. Now so the man talk say what he don't feel here say people them there for that side they get away for give them chop they no come see plenty chop where them give them. The one that people inside Cameroon give them the one. Not be say now people the way they come on for side different side country now United or other kind talk they know. Now see people that inside Cameroon wait sure say you too if you do something. You can't do also but at the population where they all run work come on inside northwest and southwest. See population. The one so they did that only inside loom. We will not see Kongsamba. That one we see and so every business and Kongsamba no be been a loom. The one we see and so it dey on the inside loom. Only inside Mongo division. Only inside littoral. That means say if you go for inside littoral so you get Mongo division, you get Wuri division, you get Sanaga Maritime, you get Nkam division. If you calculate people that way they dey for all these division they put them could plenty. Them can fit plenty. Them could get plenty. When they don't run inside northwest and south because they chat them there. So me when I stop that chat them. Not be only me one at the talk. Even said them go talk for you. Begin they go talk say with it. Though we there for you, they don't what people they were brother the way they talk friends, they all welcome we fine. We need so other thing here for stop. Begin they dance. They dance, they don't see chop. Anyway, we hear what that people they talk. That part to talk say, you don't see say people they suffer, you get that part will talk. Begin the way they don't get chop themselves, they go talk. All man to get for talk. How way they don't receive that chop so but they go call say what make government do something say make the palaver finish.
The war. So we get a lot of people where they come out north and south here because of the war. So we come see and we say then for see how we fit support both the administration where they take care of the children almost for free and the children themselves so they don't struggle say even though things are strong plenty. They want really go school because Pikini place now for school. So we come for support them and we go continue for the support them till such a time where this stupid war, permits our talks and so, this stupid war go end. The crisis will finish, but some people they for country they don't want me the crisis finish because back the crisis they make a lot of money. We know the people. So if that people, where they get the power to stop the thing, whether they benefit plenty for the crisis, they fit talk to me the thing stop. Not be for talk for mob, as we talk for TV, talk for us, but the concrete actions me the thing stop, then they go fine for we all. We need to tell all those people where they fight. The people where they call me war start, and the people where they defend themselves for the war. May they stop this nonsense. We know they do politics. We be humanitarian people. Now, what all we do, they try me remain inside, saving people, keeping people alive. So they lost plenty people from Norwest and Southwest. So the one that way they're alive, we try to do anything, the best way fit for keep them alive. So politics not the day. When I know the people that they do politics, the people that they do politics, now the people that they choose for fight, for kill people, than for find way make this thing end.
Pigeon. We come for here and go can school because of problem where it is for our side. For we want us the school for here, that will just come newly. French people, them French brother, they will get them for here. They will welcome. We fine. So, but we pray say we be for big people there. They for the one nation say if possibility they where they make them go back for our place. Over here we fine. Because for here most of we some of you will not they comfortable. Some of you will be sick for here because of sick they will contact them. So we want to say if where they send we back for our place, we will be very happy.
Very grateful for this very a gesture where Aya Foundation don't make them for it today, and I be very honored. Say they deserve they really accept for honor the call from a humble person like myself. And I start discussing. He promised he will come. I say he has come, and he don't can help you. So I be very grateful. And even know say so small person like me, so I will people the kind of personality for here. My wish now is to make this war stop. This nonsense war make it stop. Make we go back for our town. Make this nonsense war stop. You know they help we. We don't really fight to kill ourselves. Our brother they kill military. The military they kill our brother. Them so we all na Cameroonian them. We find a way to stop. We go back to our country. We go back to our house. We make government stop this thing. Make government do something to stop this war, and make government to remember this speaking them. They don't show me.
Na nonsense war. Capo. I don't be my way. I dey laugh anyhow. When something mean and nonsense, I dey talk. Na nonsense war. Why people they die? People they run. People that has a bone like they don't burn house them for Bomanso. Man not there for Bomanso now. They burn house for Bomanso people. They whether they dey for Bio, they dey for side for Binjengo, they dey for that side for Binkau. They don't run. They enter for Kwakwa. They burn all house. They kill people. Not be the nonsense war. Picking the way they dey for this side so they dey for Loom not be their village. That means say that war will continue. They could just stay there on for Loom. One day where they don't run inside Douala, inside Bafusam, they could only stay for that side. One day where they don't run inside that side for Noon. For that side for West Region, they could only stay for that side. Why? They say God be talking them then for. If God wants to make them then for that side, why them not burn them for day? Nonsense. They don't even talk to some people. They don't want to make the war end. Anyway, that's all how the war they happen. So plenty other thing there. If they go back, if they go now for back match, they go now for back. They do the kind of match for go for back. They say they want for. Yes. If you want to look people the way their eye they not they fine, people the way their food not they fine. Now they talk say they know they see fine are blind people them, physically handicapped people them. Them don't suffer pass back from Northwest and West. Why say they don't suffer? Take man lady away in the tell we so. The man so in the tell we na side for Southwest. You see no? In the tell we say he don't bad. You know what bad say wetin? Because them way them know they see so. When the war start, people they run, they know say they run go for left, they run go for right. He not be able for run. He not be able for run. He na Mr. Valerie Agbo. He not be Orok. He not be able for run. Na Mr. Valerie Agbo Orok that. He dey tell with the thing. He be na blind man with the see so. Them just a year a person way elect the one side. If he run, the man if he dey run so, he gonna for play where gun dey start. Gun go enter belly no. Person wey no get food fine. If he dey run, no be them go get cashy. People the way they be disabled for that side, them don't suffer pass. One the way the hand on one side. Even if you dey run for us, you want to take something where you will go chop for bush, you get na one side hand, how you go take them? Nothing now all the trouble where they for the people they so when Mr. Valerie Orok them not talk say wetin. Them could come even together for this side for Southwest too, inside OIC they catch young today, put their heads together, even today and tomorrow they ask questions say wetin. But now what it ever cost we say we know they see fine. What ever cause say the born man he leg be na one side, he dey like that kind of way. They ever call am say a boy them that kind thing. Na them they ever call am. Capo no dey call man so capo they respect all man. Yeah, no they cause say any man be na yes, but they go sit down today they ask what ever cause man they ever get all the kind of problem. They you know they just deal man, you know they dey for up, they capo dey so they talk fine, they hear fine. Because person wey know the hear gun dey hala no go hear gun go just enter for your belly. Can't get them so don't die for northwest and southwest so finish. Yes, because they no fit run like we. So na trouble that way dey for other side dem. They go sit down today begin dey ask question, they chase people dem to say wetin. Na thing dey una get for do am so that make una no dey enter that side for trouble there. Na thing dey una get for do am so make trouble no over the day una because say e dey so we dey suffer for this kind thing dem. But e dey so I dey even thank people the way they don try say make we get all the fine images the way they comot. I dey thank Manley Jacquino Mulo so wey e don bring that side for Loom because Jacquino Mulo na one man for Loom wey bring with that accident for Loom Chantier. I dey thank even Chief Mukube Robert for that side for Bonaberi wey they don go bring other images dem. I dey even thank people the way they be there for technical board here, they begin to push that board to them. Yes, I dey talk now for Madam Wafo say thank you so very much. Even now we don hala Capo so Capo like it plenty. So I dey even thank all people dem. Even Dikume, yes, I thank you because you don't do other card. People that we don't they look today, and they also thank when they promise say if God make am fine, how she done for ambassador so I go she done tomorrow. I go try for see how that pigeon debate they ever go. Me and some people they go try to talk some kind of thing there before say ambassador one come. So plenty thing a day. I be promise when before one go say I go talk big pie talk na for last because people they be over die. So today big pie talk today I want tell una before I go and say wetin. If you want know say all man get sense, yes. Big pass say wetin all man get sense, but if you wan know fish in own sense na for say make climb tree you go already cautious say fish na dull man. All man for the world e get sense, all thing get sense, but if you wan try fish in own sense talk na say make e climb for tree you go so dey cautious say e be na dull man. So fish e get own sense na for do different thing dem inside water e go do pass that squirrel the way they wan climb for tree. On top tree squirrel don pass it. So e dey so plenty other kind thing dey dey. Na wonderful talk that I dey live una with that one. I dey thank una plenty other ngani dem wey dey dey for that side dey drink sha so I dey thank una very plenty. We go still come back that some inside the wahala begin dey knack tori. Tori today be fine sute we will continue tomorrow Saturday, but after tomorrow Saturday we will come back na only for Monday maybe with ambassador. I thank una very much. Capo.